What up, my dudes? Your boy who hasn't left his house since who knows when here, teaching you how to survive in the wilds of Nature Valley. First off, food. You need food to survive. Now here we have the common granola tree, a staple in Nature Valley. Pull one of its fruit down and you have a nice pre-packaged snack. That's my wilderness tutorial for today. Today I will be reviewing Nature Valley Crunchy Granola Bars Cinnamon flavor. These are a pretty common snack type thing in America. They're known for also disintegrating into a bunch of crumbs that get everywhere when you eat it. But hey, something else though is that I think they're generally thought of as healthy-ish, but I don't think they're actually healthy. They're kind of more desserty. So if we go over here to the nutrition facts, serving size is 2 bars, but I think 2 bars is in one little pre-packaged thing. So it's like a 9% of your daily total fat, 22% of your daily added sugar or whatever. So it's just got a lot of sugar, but that's the American way when it comes to a lot of stuff like this. All right. Here's what one pre-packaged one looks like. But it's about 2 spoon lengths in length. This is the packaging for one. I guess it's got 2 things in it. This is what it looks like. It's already spilling stuff everywhere. So, you know, that's the way granola bars work though, is it spills stuff everywhere. Let's take a taste here. So obviously, it's quite crunchy. It says so on the box. It tastes pretty good. It is a little sweet, but I like it. It's got a slight cinnamon flavor. It's not super hard on the cinnamon, but I think it does enhance the flavor a little bit. And while it is crunchy, it does sort of quickly disintegrate. It's like you're biting into something solid, but something that's brittle. It's not difficult to chew, it's just crunchy. Probably the biggest negative is that it's very dry. Even with just that bite, I feel like I need to take a drink. Let's have another go. It pretty much just disintegrates into this powder mush the moment you take a bite into it. Maybe a few bites because the first bite just fractures it into a bunch of smaller granola chunks. But eventually it just becomes a powdery type deal, and that gets hydrated by spit and becomes all mushy in the mouth. But it's very easy to eat. I like it. Does have stuff that gets everywhere. It tastes like granola. What is granola? Is granola oatmeal? Okay, so granola is oats, honey, maybe nuts, and other sweeteners. So it's kind of like oatmeal, not oatmeal, dried oats and a bunch of sweeteners. That's pretty much what it tastes. It's got a very slight oatmeal taste. It's really hidden a lot by all the sugary stuff. It doesn't actually taste like a dessert though. It could just be that when I was younger I internalized that granola bars equal healthy. But I don't think that's actually the case. Is that the case? It's just a nice quick snack. It's got 190 calories, so it's not really a health food. It's just a good tasting calories that's maybe slightly better than a dessert. I like it. I give it an arbitrary 8 out of 10. Quite like this flavor. Very nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. See ya. Welcome to the outro. In this outro, I'm going to take a look over some of my videos' views stats and try to see what works and what doesn't. So first off, if you look over here, the numbers vary significantly. Obviously, the longer a video's been up, the more time it has to accumulate views, but that doesn't really seem to correlate with much. So we've got 21, then 60, 27, 145, 50, 92, 38, 54, 38, and it keeps going kind of like this. That's a huge range there, ranging from 27 to 145, massive range. I don't really understand what the deal is. Initially I was thinking, who is searching for Del Monte Fruit and Oats Apple Cinnamon? Because a lot of my views come from YouTube search. 46% come from YouTube search in the last 28 days. And I do get that probably less people are searching for Del Monte Fruit and Oats Apple Cinnamon review. However, I imagine like Totino's Party Pizza Pepperoni, I feel like that would be about the same as Bagel Bites, and Bagel Bites did almost half as many views. I guess a little bit more than half. So it doesn't make sense to me. I don't understand. I have no idea what on earth is going on with the actual view count. It is neat though, because like a month or 2 ago, it was all fairly steady, where after like 3 days to a week, it would be like 20, maybe 40 at the highest. a much tighter range. I guess I've gotta wait for a trend to appear to figure out what works and what doesn't, but hey, whatever. Also, if you're the person who disliked the most recent videos, I doubt you got this far into this video if you watched it at all, but let me know why you disliked it. If I'm not getting comments, I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.